something, please, folks, non-controversial to debate in court.
Which cough drops are the best?
Ooh. Which cough drops are the best?
Well, it's clear that Hall's is the best cough drop. They make so many different flavors, and the effervescence that comes from them. I love them.
Objection.
Yes.
Ricola.
Sustained.
Picture yourself. Swiss Alps. Nothing. Nothing around.
Yes.
Yodelay-hoo!
Sustained.
High on a hill was a lonely goat, yodelay-hoo!
Objection!
Yes.
Sheep on a mountainside.
Sustained.
That's what I thought every time someone mentioned something about the Alps was just the big fluffy sheep that I would hope to
Objection.
Both of you at the same time.
Heidi!
It's too sheer.
He was faster. Sustained.
We all know that the Alps are the home of Heidi, that lovable scamp.
Objection.
Yes.
Heidi Klum.
Sustained.
Okay, one day you're in, the next day you're out. What are you gonna do?
Objection!
Yeah.
Heidi, Heidi, ho!
Heidi, 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 ho!
Heidi, 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 ho!
Heidi, 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 he!
Heidi, Heidi, Heidi.
Objection.
Yeah.
Smurf.
What?
Smurf.
Sustained.
I'll smurf you one. Oh, now I smurf you first. I love you too, honey.
Objection.
Right there.
This is a PG-13 show at home.
Yes, it is. Sustained.
Okay, no Smurfs. I'm done with blue. Green is what's going
Objection.
on right now.
Right there
I
in
would
blue.
enjoy an R-rated show.
Too bad. Overruled.
Objection!
Yeah, right here.
It isn't easy being green.
Sustained.
I mean, listen to the frog, people. The frog knows what he's talking
Objection.
Yes.
Quite frankly, I think it's pretty easy to be green.
Ooh. I'll allow it.
Listen, I get queasy all the time, and I haven't experienced any side effects other than, the
Objection!
Yes.
I want chili cheese fries.
Sustained.
So I was thinking about these chili cheese fries I
Objection.
had.
Yes.
Cheese fries are better warm.
I see what you did there. Sustained.
I'm just saying, you have them piping hot, the cheese is all melted.
Objection.
Yeah.
That piping hot is a phrase only used for cookies.
No, I'm still angry about the last thing. Overruled. 30 seconds. Yes.
that thing that Canadians make.
Go for it.
It's like poutine. That's the one.
Objection!
Yeah.
This is a PG-13 show.
Sustained.
You can't put all that
Right here.
I'd like some poutine.
Objection.
Right there.
I'd like some poutine.
15 seconds.
Buddy.
Objection. We're on the end.
I believe we should all be teens. It was a good year.
Okay, fine.
Objection.
Yeah.
Sexy, sexy teen.
Get out of
Objection.
Yes.
I'm still there.
1969.
here. Yeah. Hayes wins.